YouTube, what do, man? It's your boy Global Real TV. Today I got my first actual YouTube video for you guys. I got a car review video, but before we get into it, I want to give a special shout out to my homeboy Gene, because without him this video would not be possible, guys. So if you guys could do me a favor, follow his Instagram, put the link in the description down below. Let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm so excited because if you love muscle cars like me, you know that this vehicle is an absolute monster. Today we have a 2021 Dodge Charger Scatpack 392. This vehicle has a starting MSRP of around $44,000. Now let's work our way into the specs of this vehicle. Okay guys, I popped the hood on this beast, and this is what's powering this vehicle. This is a 6.4 liter V8 engine. It has 485 horsepower with about 6,100 RPM, and it has 475 pound-feet of torque with about 4,100 RPM. This is a 8-speed automatic transmission, and this is a rear-wheel drive vehicle. This car goes 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. And the 0 to 100 on this vehicle is 10.1 seconds. This vehicle has an overall length of 200.8 inches, and it has an overall width of 75 inches, and an overall height of 57.8 inches. This has a fuel tank capacity of 18.5 gallons, giving you 15 miles per gallon in the city, 24 miles per gallon on the highway. And just in case if you guys didn't know what this SRT stands for, SRT means Street Racing Technology, which is the power branch at Dodge who actually works on this vehicle. A fun fact about the 392 Scatpack is that they have a larger engine than the Hellcats. Yes, I said it. They have a larger engine than the Hellcats. The Scatpacks have a 6.4 liter V8, while the Hellcats have a supercharged 6.2 liter V8. Working our way to the exterior of this Dodge Charger. It is painted in smoke show, as you can see. And working our way to the front, starting from the top, we have a all black hood. And this hood does have two distinct lines coming down each side through the middle. And at the bottom of the hood, we do have this hood scoop. This is a functional hood scoop, which allows air to pass through to cool down that big engine. Coming down some more, we have some more vents right here. One on the left side and another on the right. Both of these are functional, allowing even more air to pass through to cool down that engine. We have the iconic Scatpack badge, which is a bumblebee with two wheels as his feet, letting you know how fast he is. Coming down even more, we have that front splitter, giving it a mean, aggressive look. And on both sides of the narrow body Charger, we do get fog lights. If you guys were to have the wide body, you will not be able to get the fog lights, so that is something to keep in mind. With the headlights, these are LED headlights with the turning signals in the middle and coming more all the way around to the side. Inside of the headlights, it does say Dodge inside of the headlights. Working our way to the side, this car does have 20-inch wheels with 4-piston Brembo brakes. And inside, as you can see on this disc, it does have slits in the disc to cool it down when you are braking. And then next we do have another iconic badge, this 392 Hemming badging, which means 392 cubic inches under the hood. And it does have another indistinct line on the side of the vehicle from the top, passing through the front all the way back to the back, giving a more aggressive look. And this is a keyless entry car, so if you have the key walking up, all you have to do is put your hand under and the door does unlock. Closing the door, you can lock it back just pushing this button right here. And this vehicle does have blind spot indicators. If you are trying to turn or switch lanes and someone is on the side of you, you will get a warning signal. Working our way to the back of the vehicle, you do get a spoiler, an all black spoiler coming from one end to the next. You have a LED bar. This does have dual exhaust, but these are not the original exhaust. These are 5-inch tips. And working our way up to the trunk, there's a button right here you can press to open the trunk. Opening the trunk, you do get 16.5 cubic feet of space. Have plenty of space in here. You can put the back seats down. This is a 60/40. And going under, we do have a air pump, and this is where the battery is located in this vehicle. And you got some more storage space right here. Unfortunately, this car does not come with a spare tire, guys. And we have a handle right here just to pull the hood down. You can start it up with the key by just pressing this 2 times. And turn it back off, you just press it once. Okay guys, now working our way into the interior. So I'm opening up the door. This Dodge Charger does come with the red seats, and as you see, I opened the door, and on this door panel we have some nice leather with red stitching coming all the way down to the door handle. And as you can see, next to the door handle you do have your memory seating, just in case if more or one person is driving the vehicle. You can set the seat to however you want it. Coming down, you have some more leather, some more red stitching coming across. Right here you got your window controls for the windows to unlock and lock the door. You have some space down here, a little storage space, and a little cup holder with the Bumblebee badging inside. Working our way inside the vehicle, you do get power adjustment seatings. So if I do this right here, the seat will move forward, and of course if I push it back, it will go back. Same with the top, comes forward and it comes back. Now we have some red Alcantara seats, iconic Scatpack badge with some more leather up top for the headrest. And right here, this is how you control the lights, and this is how you open the trunk. Down here you have your parking brake, and this is how you open the hood. And going into the vehicle, let's start this bad boy up. Put my foot on the brake and push the start button, and then we'll fire up. Now on the left side you got your RPM, on the right side you got your miles per hour, and in the middle you have that digital dash showing your miles per hour. And down here you have your controls to control the gauge. As you see, if I go down, I have plenty of different settings I could run through. Fuel economy, trip info, your audio, if you have any messages, your screen setup, speed warnings, diagnostics, and back to the digital dash. And down here, the way to answer the phone. And down here on the right side you do have your cruise control options. As you see, this does have the mounted paddle shifters on the back. Coming into the middle of the dash, you do have an 8.4-inch infotainment system. And right here you have all different types of options, guys. You got your media, you got your climate controls, you got your heated and ventilated seats. This is all your apps, and if you can switch the apps. If you have your favorite app, all you have to do is touch, and you can drag the app. See if I can get it. And down here you have more settings, Bluetooth settings. This one right here is your performance pages of your dyno. This shows you the engine, your G-force, different type of gauges, timers. And coming down a little bit more, you have, this is how you turn on the radio, turn down, turn up the volume. You can mute the screen, also turn the screen off. This is your hazard lights. You got different drive modes, launch modes, park sensor off, traction off. This is how you tune it. Coming down a little more, you have your AC controls right here, and you do have a 12 voltage charging port down here. You have plenty of space down here as well, guys. And you have your shifter right in the middle, and you have your Dodge Brothers Design by Detroit in the middle. You do have some cup holders right here, guys, and you do have some more storage space in here. You also get 2 USBs in here, an aux cord, and more additional space if you need. Coming to the passenger seat, you do get the red Alcantara seats again with the iconic Bumblebee badge. Just look at that door panel, guys. And you do get your 392 badging right here, just to let you guys know that this is a Scatpack. You have some space in here as well where you put all your information at. You have plenty of space. Let's give that thing a rev so I can show you guys what this car sounds like. Now, working our way to the back, do have the red door panels as well. And working our way back in, you do get the red seats inside as well. This Alcantara is very soft, guys. Back here, you do get 2 vents for your people who's traveling with you, and you get heated and ventilated seats as well. And these are how you control them with these buttons right here. And you do get 2 USB ports as well. Fitting back here, you do get 2 cup holders, and it does have ambient lighting for the cup holders. Nice and soft leather. You can pull this up, you get a little bit of storage for your people in the back seat as well. Showing you guys the other side, and I will show you guys your view from the back. Decent view. Show you guys how this thing drives. Little blinker check. The horn. Alright. So now, guys, we're just taking a Dodge Charger Scatpack for a little test run. Right now, I can say this is a smooth vehicle, and it does have a lot of power. If you want to, anytime you hit the gas, it throws you back in the seat automatically. But for the most part, we're just taking a little cruise, drive through the city.